SLS Industry was founded in 2018 and is located in the Tuzla Anadolu Organized Industrial Zone. Spanning 6,000 square meters, our facility serves a wide range of sectors, with precision and dedication. While our engineering team carries out design improvements and customer project commissioning, with full compliance to technical specifications, our daily meetings sharpen focus, align goals, and build synergy across the team. At SLS Industrial, we combine cutting-edge technology with engineering excellence to meet the heavy industry's toughest production demands. At SLS Industrial, our laser technology leads innovation. Using state-of-the-art CNC and CO₂ laser cutting machines powered by robotic systems, we deliver unmatched precision in cutting, engraving, and drilling, all designed in a fully digital environment, leaving zero room for error. After the cutting process, sheet metals intended for spare parts or sub-industry use are shaped into plates, brackets, or profiles. We use CNC press brakes to apply three-dimensional bending and rolling, giving the materials their final form and ensuring fast and efficient mass production. Our CNC milling machine with high technology processes different kinds of products with less than 1 in 100 millimeters of error rate. We deliver your products in minimal time with maximum efficiency. We use our CNC milling machine for shaping metal pieces, drilling, carving, thread milling purposes. In our welding department, lean production drives efficiency and excellence. Our experts are equipped to handle a wide range of techniques, from TIG and MIG/MAG to laser and beam welding, and specialize in aluminium, stainless steel, carbon steel, and pressure pipe welding. We offer advanced capabilities, including shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, submerged arc welding, SAW, argon and aluminium welding, and more. After welding, carbon steel undergoes intensive sandblasting, preparing the surface for a premium finish. 2,700 mm reach distance. 2-axis synchronous positioner. 20 mm per second welding speed. In our welding lab, macro testing ensures every product meets our high standards, while post-welding passivation boosts stainless steel durability. Every project starts with a 3D design. Our engineers use SolidWorks to model and verify each part before production begins. We seek your approval after the design phase, and only then do we proceed to full-scale manufacturing. At SLS Industrial, we go beyond industry standards. Every step of the wet or powder coating process is meticulously monitored using advanced mobile systems. Our oversized powder coating ovens, measuring 250 centimeters, 250 centimeters, 950 centimeters, are among the largest in the market and exceed industry norms. In addition, our wet paint oven, which measures 250 centimeters, 250 centimeters, 400 centimeters, enables us to meet all your coating requirements, from C3 to C5 leave. With our 180-meter conveyor system and 5-stage washing line, we guarantee up to 1,000 hours of salt spray resistance. Each product is coated in our specialized spray booths using electrostatic application technology and then cured at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius to achieve a flawless and long-lasting finish. After painting, we run micron gloss and delta E color tests, ensuring each finish meets our strict quality benchmarks. As a demonstration of our commitment to excellence, we hold the following ISO quality system certifications: ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 27001, ISO 45001, ISO 15614 WPQR, ISO 3834-2 and ISO 9606-1 welder qualification test certification. Each product is professionally packaged, documented, secured, and shipped with care. Because dependable delivery matters. From concept to final touch, SLS Industrial is your trusted partner in precision manufacturing.